Hello guys, welcome to a weekly forecast for our gold. So let's start our analyze. So we are here now in our weekly time frame. As you can see, we have our new all-time high. Our new all-time high is around 2,586. So this is our new all-time high. So we have our previous low and our weekly low is around there. And then we go to daily time frame, receipt chart view. We are now in our daily time frame. As you can see, it continued up. Went down. We were here. Around here. They went up last week. For our time frame, we go to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what gold we're gonna offer for the next week. As you can see in our 4 hour time frame, it closed in a red candlestick. So you want to push down. Maybe it want to gonna go more down. So we're gonna copy that one, and then we're gonna put a previous low here. There's no previous low, but we have fair value gaps. So fair value gap here, and then we have our fair value gap here too. Now for our time frame, there we have a big fair value gap here, and yes, that's the only fair value gap I see. So now for our time frame, we have 3 fair value gaps. We go to 1 hour time frame. Now 1 hour time frame, we have fair value gap here too. We have a previous low here. So we do it like that. And now 1 hour time, we don't have fair value gap. We do have fair value gap here, so we can take this one out. And this fair value gap has filled. So sometimes, not always, we have a fair value gap. Once it got filled, sometimes the price is gonna go up and then gonna push down again to our fair value gap, and after that gonna go up again. Sometimes only, not always. So once this one is gonna go up, I'll go down. If we go down to a fair value gap, and this one is gonna fill something like this, we're gonna put some buys. We're gonna put some buys here, and then we're gonna put the stop loss around here, and after that we're gonna make our Fibonacci retracement to know where to put our TPs, here or here, something like this. And then once this one is gonna go down and make our stop loss hit, it will be a failed trade. So as you can see, we don't have fair value gap here in 1 hour time frame, so we can put that out. We do have fair value gap here in 1 hour time frame around here. So this fair value gap. So once this one we're gonna go down back around here. I will wait until it will gonna break to our previous low, and then do some retest and a confirmations around here. Then I'll put some sell. There, and stop loss around there, and our take profit is around our fair value gap. So once this one we're gonna this first buy trade gonna fail, gonna go down to a fair value gap, and then gonna break our previous low around here. Gonna wait for a retest and confirmations, and then we're gonna go sell. Once this one will gonna be a successful trade, we're gonna wait until this fair value gap is gonna filled. Once this one filled, and it's gonna break out, we're gonna put some buys here. once if we see that this is a good trade to put some buys, we're gonna put some buys and then do a long trade, a swing trade here. So I hope this video is helpful for the next week trade for the gold. So first buy. If this will fail, I'm gonna go sell, and then once this is a successful trade, I'm gonna do some buys and wait for confirmations, and then yeah. I hope you're gonna have a good week, profit week, and see you guys again for the next weekend. Good luck.